Good morning, students. Now we talk about WSN hardware components. You already know that what is WSN. WSN is a wireless sensor network. It is grouping the number of sensor nodes together to place sensing, monitoring, gathering, and forwarding the data. Hardware components. Hardware components having a major 5 parts, namely controller, communication device, sensor and actuator, memory. Last one is a power supply. Controller, it is used to process all the related data coming from the different components. Communication device, it turns all the nodes into a networks. It having receiver sending and receiving informations over the wireless channel. Sensor and actuators, it is used to send the environment. These components only provide the actual interface to the physical world. It observes or controls the physical parameters to the environment. Memory is used to store the programs and data. Different types of memories are used to store the data. Last one is a power supply. Nodes are get energies from the environment. The power supply is batteries are major part of power supply. Let's see briefly in all these 5 components. First one is a controller. Controller collect the data from the sensor. It has 4 types. First one is a microcontroller and BDSPCS, programmable digital signal processor. It is a analog communication device. Next one is a FDGAS, field programmable gate array. It is good for testing. ASICE, physical application specific integrated circuit. It is a custom designs only when a peak performed as needed. Next one is a memory. Memory is used to store the programs and intermediated data. There are the 4 types of memories. First one is a random access memory, read only memory, electronically erasable programmable read only memory. All these are store only a program code. Last one is a flash memory. In case of RAM is insufficient or the shutdown, the flash memory will be activated. Third component is a sensor and actuator. Sensor is an actual interface to the physical world. It observes or controls the physical parameters of the environment. Sensors can be roughly categorized into 3. First one is a massive omnidirectional sensor. It is a self-powered, massive narrow beam sensor, and last one is a active sensor. Actuator converts the electrical signals into the physical phenomenon. Fourth component is a communication device. Communication device to exchange the data between individual nodes. It is a transmission medium. Radio frequency provides the long range and high data rates and acceptable error rates. The receiver have a major part of this communication device. It has one microcontroller and receiver in between the bit stream. The half duplex operations are performed in the receiver. Half duplex operations means the center or receiver are performed at a time. If a center is active in a state, the receiver in the idle state, it is called a half duplex operations. It has 4 different types of operations: transmit, receive, idle. Idle means ready to receive but not doing. Last one is a sleep. Significant part of the receiver are switched off. The last components is a power supply. Batteries are provided the energies from the environment. Storing energy is a traditional batteries. It has 2 types of traditional batteries: rechargeable and non-rechargeable. Rechargeable means secondary batteries. Non-rechargeable means a primary batteries. Last one is a energy scavenging. Energy scavenging is a process of recharging the batteries with the energy gathered from the environment. In this video we discuss about the hardware components briefly. Hope you all understand. Thank you, students.